up your dream. We were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you asking why. You started out to face it.
Hi guys, this is Ramya and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I converted, basically I just used different fabric, but you can also use saree for this, as I only used 3.5 meters for the skirt and 1 meter for the blouse. So yeah, that's all you have to do, and you can do that with 5 meters of saree, and you just have to buy the inside fabric and that's it. कोई वीडियो हिंदी में देखना है तो आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, आपको ये टाइटल जो है, अगर आप फोन पे देख रहे हैं वीडियो तो जो टाइटल है वीडियो का उसको क्लिक करना है। उसको क्लिक करते ही डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा। डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सबसे पहला जो लिंक है वो हिंदी वीडियो का होता है, तो आपको जस्ट वहां पे क्लिक करना है और आप हिंदी वीडियो वहां पे जाके देख सकते हैं। एंड यस, आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी सॉफ्ट स्पोकन टुडे because some of you guys don't like my high pitched voice, so let me know if this works for you. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started.
For the skirt, I'm using this floral print cotton fabric of about 5 meters and the lining of the same length, but you will need only 3 or 3.5 meters. Then take the main fabric and starting from one edge, mark 1 inch point like this, which will be our skirt seam allowance. Then from that point, mark 5 inch marks, as I want 5 inch wide box pleats in my skirt. Now you can change the width of your box pleats if you want. Mark about 10 to 12 5 inch marks to be sure. Then let's start making the pleats. Take the second mark and place it over the first like this and pin it there. Then take the third mark and place it over the fourth, and this way your first box pleat is done. Repeat the same steps, which is take the fifth mark, then place it over the fourth, and then take the sixth one and place it over the seventh mark. So this is how you will create your box pleats. Now make as many as you want and then measure. If it's half your waist size, then you can stop making pleats. I made about 3 5 inch pleats, so I have half of my waist here, which is 15 inches. Then just mark 1 inch point once you're done with the pleats, which is again your seam allowance for the other side. And then just cut a straight line from that point. This way your front part of the skirt is done. Now repeat the same steps and make a same piece for the back part of the skirt as well. Once done, this is how your front and back will look like. See, I have here 3 pleats on both the front and the back of my skirt, and the total of each part is 15 inch plus 1 inch of seam allowance on both the side. And when I join both the pieces, it will be of my total waist, that is 30 inches. Now take the lining fabric, fold it once like this, and then place one part of the skirt over it and stretch its bottom edge as much as possible and trace and cut it out. Once cut, this is how it will look. And since we folded the fabric before cutting, we will have 2 lining pieces, one for the front and second for the back. Now to make the pockets, just take the leftover fabric, fold it once like this, and then fold it one more time like this, so that you will have 4 layers, and then place your palm and trace around it and cut it out, leaving half an inch of seam allowance. So you should have 4 such pieces. Now next, cut a waistband of about width, that is 4.5 inches, and the length that should be few inches more than the half of your waist. Mine was 15, so I took 18 inches, that is about 3 inches extra. Then for the front, make 3 or 4 inch longer than the back one. Then take one and fold it into half widthwise, and then mark half inch mark on the fold on one side, and from there cut a slant line like this. Now do the same on the other side. Now once open, this is how it should look, and now do the same to the front waistband. Once done, this is how they will look. Now let's start stitching. Take your front pleated skirt part and place it over the inside fabric like this, and stitch the waist of both of them together. Once done, this is how it should look like. Do the same for the back skirt piece and the lining. Now measure about 5 inch from the waist of the skirt and mark it. Then place one piece of the pocket at that mark like this, wrong side out, and pin it. Do the same on the other side of the skirt for the second pocket. Once pinned, stitch where we placed our pins, and this is how they should be. Do the same for the back skirt piece as well. Next, flip the pockets out like this and place the back part of the skirt wrong side out over the front one, and pull the pockets of the back out as well. And to stitch the side seam, just stitch like this and go over the pocket like so, and then the rest of the side seam like this. But when you do the other side, do a loose stitch from waist till the pocket, and then do a regular stitch from the pocket to the rest of the side seam. Once done, press down the side seam where we have put the zipper like this and place your zipper over it and pin it. Once pinned, just stitch it in place like we always do, and then once that is done, just rip open the loose stitch we did at its place, and that's it. Zipper is done. Cut the excess, and now let's do the waistband. Bring your waistbands out and then cut out a buckram piece like this in shape of half of the waistband like this and place it in place and iron over it to make it stick. Once done, this is how they should look like. Then just stitch them into one waistband from their one side like this. Once done, just place the stitch line over the side seam with no zipper and pin it in place like this by keeping the right sides of the waistband and the skirt together like shown. Now stitch it in place, and once done, this is how it should look. Now as you guys can see, this is the inside part of the skirt, and you have to flip the waistband like this behind and stitch the back waistband's edge like this to finish it. And then for the front waistband, flip the band again behind like this and stitch its edge like this, as it will be a flap kind of waistband. Once done, this is how it should be. Then just turn the waistband right side out like this. Use your fingers to push it out completely. And then to finish the waistband, just fold the rest of the open waistband once inside and stitch over it like so, and then just finish with hooks and loops and you're done.
Let me open up your dream. We were ordering some treats.
That was it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And also turn that notification bell button on so that you guys get notified as soon as I upload a new video, which is going to be every Sunday. But then again, it's not necessary that I upload it only on Sunday. Maybe if I do get time, I'll upload on weekdays as well, as I'm going to transfer all the haul and other beauty stuff related videos onto my other channel that is called as Ramya Vasudev. And yeah, you have to subscribe there to watch those videos. So yeah, do that. Link will be in the description box as well. If you do try out any of my DIY videos, let me know and share it with me on my Instagram page that is right over here, my Facebook page that is right over here, and I would love to chat with you guys, and I would love to know more about you and love to see your recreations as well. And also guys, let me know if you want a room decor video for this coming spring/summer season. I'm planning to do a very cute room decor DIY. Let me know if you're interested, then only I'll do it. You just have to comment down below if you are in for the room decor or you're out for the room decor. So yeah, let me know. And yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
It would be